you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Brittney. However, I wanted to show you guys, I'm actually gonna head to Target, and of course it just started to snow. I'm from Minnesota, so it's always snowing. What's new? I actually just reviewed a few things over on my TikTok. One of them being this sponge by Makeup Eraser. It's super nice. It's machine washable, non-toxic, latex free, hypoallergenic, super amazing. This is She. It's super cool. It's got a flat bottom right here. This is flat, so it's like perfect to get into like this little area here. Love that. I loved this. So, and I use the Dewy Wet n Wild. I think this is amazing. My other favorite needs to be washed, but this is the e.l.f. Camo Concealer one. So this one's amazing. And then I also just did a review on my favorite Man Eater mascara. I wanted to show people how amazing it is. I feel like this eyelash I did curl it, and this one I didn't. And I feel like they look the same, if not this one still looks fuller. I just was having issues with this eye today. However, this is my absolute favorite mascara. I love it. I also wanted to show you guys this. The Court Report is absolutely amazing. She has like the best recommendations. So this thing is so cute. I'll link it down below. It's from Amazon. $27, $25. And it fits so much of my stuff. And I feel like it just looks so much better like than the box I had there, and less cluttered. I really like that. It fits everything. My favorite eye masks from the Court Report review by Pixie. My perfume, deodorant, Jason stuff. So I really like this, and I think everybody needs one. My brushes, my favorite eye brightener, just amazing. I highly recommend this. Anyways, I'm going to charge my battery while I run to Target really quick. I'm going to try and pick up, it's called TRU FRU. I'll put a picture here if I can find them. My friend was just here in town and said that they had TRU FRU. So I'm going to try to go track some down because I heard that they're really good. So you guys will know soon here. And I just hope I can find them. Hello you guys, I found the TRU FRU. I'll show you more about the TRU FRU. I just got home. I ended up going to Starbucks. I got, this is not healthy, I don't think. I don't know how many points this is. I'll try to add it in the app. But this is a tall, so just a small iced white mocha, vanilla cold foam, and caramel drizzle. It's super good. I've been trying to stay away from coffee because it makes my throat goofy with whatever is going on. Stop, and I got Chipotle. I did get guacamole tonight. That's like 8 points. And then I got sour cream, hot sauce, a chicken bowl. Yeah, I got myself like a late lunch or something. I don't know. But I will throw up on the screen here what I always get and how many points it is. They have cauliflower rice now, which is good. I was going to do half cauliflower, half white rice, but I decided just to do white rice because I wanted to treat myself. Not that it's like a huge deal, it's only 6 points. But anyways, so yeah, I will show you guys what I got from Target when I'm done eating my Chipotle here, and I will tell you more about the TRU FRU here in a second. Okay, so instead of throwing it up on the screen, I'm just going to show you what I got. So I got white rice, fajitas, chicken, extra corn, tomato. Tonight I got cheese. I normally don't. I usually skip the cheese, and then I get lettuce. But I really wanted their cheese because it's so good. And then I got a side of guacamole, 8 points, hot for 0, sour cream for 5, or you can eat half for like 2 or 3 points. Super easy. You can even get lettuce on the bottom of this to make it even more point friendly. And then I'm done drinking this now because I don't want to feel goofy with my situation. So I'm going to be done with this, but it was so good. Highly recommend. And then they have all this caramel at the bottom I wanted to show you, which I'm kind of sad that they don't really give straws very often anymore because I would have loved to suck that up. But I don't need it, so it's fine. If anybody's wondering, this is actually Indy's dog bed. It's just in the kitchen here because we actually keep her in the kitchen overnight. And her crate is right there, and we like block it off right here. She chews her crate up, or her pillows up. But we keep her in here. This is like her little safe place, her little home. She has her water and food and stuff. So all right, you guys, I just got done eating, hanging, ouch, have a bunch of snarls in my hair, hanging out. And I wanted to show you a little bit of what I got at Target. So I actually went and I got purified like water thing because we use that to purify or get like clean water. This bra I asked my Instagram if they liked this bra. So it's just like a V bra. It's kind of like a sports bra. So it looks super nice. It has like cups in it. And then the back's actually like adjustable like clasp. So, and it's nice and thick too. So I like when these are thicker and not super thin so they don't like roll. So what I'm going to do is I'll try it on, I'll wear it for a little bit, and I'll let you guys know like what I really think about it, if I actually genuinely like it. Oh, that's much better. Alright, so yeah, like I was saying, I'm going to try it on. I'm going to see if it rolls. I'm going to see if I like it. Just because I've never tried it before. I did get an extra large. It was the only one they had, or a small or medium. And I'm not fitting into that, girls. This is that. It looks like it'll fit. The cups are kind of big. It said an extra large is 38, double D or 40D. And I'm definitely like a 38B cup, which they don't really make that. For B cups, it's like a smaller and extra small. That's not happening around, you know. I got this razor. I've never tried it before. It's the Up and Up 5-blade brand. It's kind of like a knockoff for one of the more expensive ones. So I'll review that and shave my legs. And I'm going to try this moisturizing shave gel. It looks really nice, like the spout. And I just really thought that this was promising looking. Airwick, the smell is amazing. Ocean Breeze. I had to give this a try because downstairs near my office there's like a little plug-in, and I want to like make it smell good. I have like a Scentsy pod thing, but I don't want it to continuously blow because it was getting really strong and I just wasn't really loving the scent. So went with this. I'll let you guys know also if I like that. Then I got my cat a new toy, so I'm gonna bust that out for him. But the main reason why I went to Target was actually for TRU FRU. So I wanted to talk about these a little bit. They're 90 calories, total fat 6 grams, 10 grams of carbs, 9 grams of sugar, and you can have about 10 to 12 pieces. So when you open the bag, they kind of melted because I had them in my car. I did refreeze them. It says to keep them froze, but you can like take them out and leave them out for like 15 minutes to like unthaw them. But this is what they look like. See? And then they actually dark chocolate and then white chocolate and then dark chocolate around that with a frozen blueberry inside. It's so good. They have a new one right now. It just came out. It's milk chocolate instead of the dark chocolate. Oh, if you hate dark chocolate, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I'm not a huge dark chocolate fan, but these are amazing. I think that the white chocolate on the inside really compensates for that. It makes it a little bit more sweet. I really like them. They come in like cherry, blueberry, raspberry, a new strawberry one. And I don't know if they have any other ones, but I know they have raspberry, strawberry, blueberry. I actually got 2 bags and I'm so glad. So I'm actually going to sit on the couch and munch on these for a little bit. My biggest thing today was this bra, so I'll let you guys know. Oh gosh, it's so dang good. And my Chipotle was really good. I really like that. I already showed you guys my little organizer thing, so that was another huge thing. I ordered Verb bars, which I know you guys probably have heard of them, but I got, it's like a new flavor. I can't remember the name of the flavor, but whenever I get those in the mail, I'll open it up and have one of those and let you guys know how those are. I have a lot of reviews for you guys. I touched on the new sponge I used today on my face. I think that it's holding up my eyebrows coming off because I was rubbing it. I like to use the e.l.f. pencil, but it likes to rub off. But anyways, I feel like it looks good. I also apply my highlight with the blender, and it looks really good. I like it. I'm gonna go sit my booty on the couch, maybe edit a vlog because I'm feeling in the mood. Happy weekend. I love the weekend so much. Hi guys, I'm still here. It's Saturday. I have some more goodies I want to share with you. Coat, sweater, coat, whatever you want to call it. Old Navy. So comfy. So this is a double X, and put it down here. Got my ring light because it's easier to see. But this is so nice. I got a double X because that's all they had in the camo was double X or medium, and I could have easily sized down to an extra large, but if you can tell, like, there's a ton of room, but I don't want it tight. And I think these run perfect to get a size bigger than you normally want. But like I said, I'm normally an extra large in like sweaters and stuff. So comfy, super cozy up close. It's like a what do you call that? It's that material, but it's not super bad on the inside. It's more like a cotton, so you don't sweat to death. What I really liked about this, Old Navy has the best socks. Literally, I swear by them. They are so cozy and soft. They are only $10 for a pack, but right now Old Navy has buy one get one half off, so you can get a pack half off, which is such a good deal. Me and my mom actually went in on them, and she got, I bought them, and then she gave me 7 something, so we save money, so it was really nice. So I actually have a pair on right now. These ones are my favorite. I just thought that they were so cute. They're like just like these light blue ones, but dark. I really love Old Navy socks. I always have. So these ones are, well, hello. No, come back.
Hey, spray in there when you're done.
I'm not pooping.
I know, it was a joke.
I'm showing people's socks.
Hey, well, I gotta go.
Hey, wait, what's your, no, that's fine.
I gotta go to the bathroom, and you're in here doing videos in the bathroom.
Well, I have to ask
Something
you a question.
doesn't add up.
Hey.
You're not using the toilet, get out of here.
Well, you can come in here, I'll leave.
No, I
Give them the TRU FRU out of 10. He tried the TRU FRU.
I don't know what no TRU FRU is.
Come on, I gave it a 10. So if you're trying to get healthy and you have like a sweet tooth and you're like...
Camera's right there, why are you looking in the mirror?
I'm looking at you.
I give it like, if you like dark chocolate, I'd give it a 9 out of 10.
But what if you hate dark chocolate? I don't like dark chocolate and I liked it.
7 out of 10.
Okay, so if you're a fan, did you need to use the toilet?
I'll go downstairs.
Alright, bye. So his TRU FRU thing is a 7 out of 10 if you don't like dark chocolate, which I still think is a decent ranking. But if you like dark chocolate, like an 8 or, did he say 9? Any Hoosier, I don't know. I think they're absolutely delicious and I don't like dark chocolate, so that says something. That was my little haul, and then I actually wanted to come out here in the dining room, down all my Christmas stuff, and I'm trying to play around with how I want to decorate now in here. But I got this really cute sign from Kirkland's. It says choose joy. Otherwise you can change it to say so blessed, which I absolutely love. It was only $10 and I thought it was so cute. And we'll go in the living room, and like I said, I'm not decorated or anything, but I also got this, which it needs to be hooked up higher because it looks goofy down like that, and I don't know if I really like it. So I might keep this here, or I might switch these two out and put this wreath back over there and put the dangly thing here. So I don't know, you guys, I really don't know what to do. So cool. Put the letter up in the back. It's so cool. I'm so easily fascinated.